हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ग्रेड 6 की इंग्लिश यूनिट नंबर 4 मेजर शब्बीर शरीफ शहीद। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, रीड द मीनिंग ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स। नंबर 1, असेट्स, अ पर्सन और थिंग दैट इज़ यूजफुल टू समबॉडी। कैप्चर, टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ अ प्लेस यूजिंग फोर्स, ताकत का इस्तेमाल करते हुए किसी चीज़ पर कब्जा करना। फियरलेसली, विदाउट बीइंग अफ्रेड, खौफजदा हुए बगैर। मार्टिडम, डेथ ऑफ अ मार्टर, शहीद की मौत। कर्जियस, ब्रेवरी, बहादुरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, व्हेन एंड वेयर वाज मेजर शब्बीर शहीद बॉर्न। आंसर है, मेजर शब्बीर शरीफ was born on April 28, 1943 into a Rajput family in Konja, Gujarat. Number 2, what was Major Shabbir Sharif tasked with and how did he complete that task? Answer is, Major Shabbir Sharif was tasked with capturing Gurumukhi Khira and Bari, a village in the Salmanki sector. He alongside his men fought courageously and captured it. Question number 3, how did Major Shabbir Sharif fight with the enemy? Write in a few sentences. Answer is, Major Shabbir Sharif fought courageously alongside his men. He held Indian forces at bay. To reach his target, he fearlessly passed through the minefield laid by the enemy. With his company, he destroyed 4 enemy tanks and held 2 Indian battalions at bay. Next question is, what awards did Major Shabbir Sharif get for his achievements? The answer is, he received both Nishan-e-Haidar and Sitara-e-Jurrat. He also received the Sword of Honor. अगला सवाल है, write the names of soldiers you know who have received the highest military rank of Nishan-e-Haidar. Number 1, Captain Raja Muhammad Sarwar. Number 2, Major Tufail Muhammad. Number 3, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti. Number 4, Pilot Officer Rashid Minhas. Number 5, Major Muhammad Akram. Number 6, Major Shabbir Sharif. Number 7, Sawar Muhammad Hussain Janjua. Number 8, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfouz. Captain Karnal Sher Khan. Number 10, Havaldar Lalak Jan. What can you do for your country? I shall become a teacher and serve my country. I can sacrifice my life for my beloved homeland. Next question is, summarize the lesson in your own words. This lesson is about one of the Pak Army soldier, Major Shabbir Sharif Shaheed. He served the army courageously. He fought Indo-Pakistan War in intense enemy fire. He with his company captured Indian posts. He destroyed Indian tanks also. On 6th December 1971, during the battle, he was martyred. He received Nishan-e-Haidar, Sitara-e-Jurrat and Sword of Honor as a reward. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।